Hello everyone, my name is Meliza Adelia from class MNJ 23C with NPM 234111045 here. I want to explain material about working capital management. Enjoy watching. Working capital management. Working capital management is the process of managing a company's financial resources to ensure the smooth continuity of business operations. Working capital management is one of the key aspects of a company's financial management because it directly influences the profitability and liquidity of a company. Why working capital is so important? Good working capital management is very important for the survival of the company, both in the short and long term. Effective working capital management can help a company in increasing profitability, minimizing liquidity risk, ensuring the company has enough liquidity to meet short-term obligations, maximizing operational efficiency, keeping operations running smoothly. Working capital management is the process of managing the financial resources used to run the daily operations of a business. It involves managing cash, receivables, inventory, and short-term liabilities to ensure the smooth continuity of business operations. The goal of working capital management is to ensure that a business has enough liquidity to meet obligations as they fall due and continue to operate efficiently. Following are some steps in working capital management. 1. Analysis of working capital requirements. First of all, identify how much working capital is required to run your business operations. This includes day-to-day operating costs, purchasing inventory, and collecting receivables. 2. Cash management. Make sure the business has adequate bank accounts to manage cash. Carry out regular monitoring of cash inflow and outflow so you can predict future cash needs. Carefully manage payments to suppliers and maintain payment records to avoid missing payment deadlines which could result in fines or loss of credit. 3. Receivables optimization. Manage your receivables well. Make sure that you adopt wise credit policies, monitor customer payments regularly, and take steps to collect outstanding receivables. If possible, consider offering early payment discounts to customers who pay more quickly. 4. Inventory management. Don't leave inventory tied up in large amounts that aren't needed. Update and monitor inventory regularly to avoid excess inventory that can tie up working capital. Consider strategies such as a just-in-time system to reduce unnecessary inventory. 5. Short-term liability management. Consider short-term liabilities such as accounts payable and credit used to meet working capital needs. Make sure you understand the payment terms and due dates. Maintain good relationships with lenders and creditors to ensure continued financial support. Working capital components. Working capital consists of 2 main components. Current assets. Cash and cash equivalents. Accounts receivable. SPI. Short-term investment. Current liabilities. Accounts payable. Tax debt. Accrued expenses. Short-term loans. Conclusion. Working capital is an important element in a company's operations, reflecting the ability to meet short-term financial needs such as purchasing raw materials, paying salaries, and other operational costs. Working capital is calculated as the differential between current assets and current liabilities, which is an indicator of a company's liquidity. Good working capital management is very important to ensure the smooth running of business activities, support growth, and avoid financial crises. Factors such as business scale, credit policies, and inventory management efficiency influence the amount of working capital required. By maintaining a balance between liquidity and profitability, companies can optimally utilize the working capital to support long-term sustainability and success.